Hi, I'm Eddie Ray Watts. This is the American Public University System Introduction to Chemistry class. In Chapter 3, we started talking about heat capacity. Heat capacity is one of those chemical concepts that we already intuitively know about. We just didn't know that we knew about it. Heat capacity is defined as the amount of heat that is required to raise 1 gram of a substance by 1 degree Celsius. I'm going to do an experiment in my kitchen. Check this out. I have here a cast iron frying pan. It has a certain amount of mass. Over here, I have a little glass pot. It's got the same mass of water. The amount of water in this pot and the amount of iron in that pot are the same. I'm flowing about the same amount of energy or heat into each one of these two samples. Granted, it's a little bit different for various reasons, but it's just my kitchen, right? And I think we're able to believe ourselves here. So we're flowing a certain amount of heat into here. We're flowing heat into there. We've all heard a watched pot never boils, but we've never heard that a watched frying pan never gets hot enough to fry bacon. And specific heat is the reason why. It takes more heat to heat up the water by 1 degree Celsius than it does to heat up the same amount of iron by 1 degree Celsius. Do you think it's getting hot? Let's find out. Give this a little stir. I can start to see a little bit of bubbles in the water. But we've all made coffee. You know this water isn't hot yet, right? Do you think? Let's see. There's some water. It's not hot yet. It's a little bit warm. It's a little bit warm. But let's see what's going on with the frying pan. Cool, huh? There's a big difference. About the same amount of heat flowed into both samples. Here, the water is still cool enough that I can stick my finger in it, and it's okay. Over here, that frying pan was hot enough to instantaneously boil the water. The reason is because the specific heat of iron is about 1/10 of the specific heat of water. What does that mean? That means that in order to heat up 1 gram of iron, you only need 1/10 as much heat as you would need to heat up 1 gram of water. Watch pots never boil. Watched frying pans fry bacon just like that. See you in the course.